Welcome back to the channel, hoping you're all gearing up for a successful week. Today, we're talking about some crucial market movements and what you should be keeping an eye on over the next few days. Grab your coffee and let's get into it. And remember, to get an update every single day, make sure to sign up to viralstocks.io for our completely free newsletter and text alerts, and we'll message you with daily watch lists and top picks that you need to be aware of that have some high probability moves. So without further ado, let's get into it. Here we are facing another week where the market seemed to ready to test our nerves. It's a mix of anticipation and, let's be honest, a bit of anxiety with the latest economic data and ongoing tariff discussions. Last week was a bit rough, wasn't it? We saw the market take a hit with some disappointing inflation figures and consumer confidence dropping to its lowest since the end of 2022. It really shook things up, pushing down big players like Nasdaq, SPY, and Russell 2000. This week, we're especially on the lookout for Wednesday. There's talk about new tariffs, 25% on vehicles and auto parts. If it goes through, we might see broader implications like raising consumer prices and shift market dynamics. And of course, there's the labor market to consider. What we're talking about here is non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate. These reports are always heavy hitters. If we start seeing cracks in the job market, it could prompt the Fed to adjust its approach, maybe even take a more supportive stance to prop up growth while keeping inflation in check. So let's see what we have got here in this week's newsletter. First, let's take a look at sector spotlight. What's really heating up here is aerospace and defense ETFs like ITA, PPA, and XAR. These are outperforming and signaling a shift towards defensive investments amid the market uncertainty and the current policies. And it's suggesting that some investors are hedging their bets on more defensive stocks. Definitely something to think about in your own investment strategy. All right, let's zero in on a couple interesting stocks as we head into Monday. First one is ICCT, which saw a nice spike in after hours trading from around 32 cents to 50, then pulled back and held strong, a good sign for momentum traders. It's a micro fallout, only 1.68 million, extremely thin, making this prime candidate for explosive move, but watch your risk. And next one up is MYSZ, which had a notable run and it's now hovering around a possible continuation point. If it breaks past 205, we might see a challenge up to 315. Both of these stocks have low floats, meaning they're ripe for quick moves, but remember that's also up to the risk for the risk factor. Next up, earnings. This week, we see fairly quiet calendar for the next couple of weeks, but some high-profile reports in the financial sector will be coming up in the following week. Let's move on to our top picks of the week for our swing trades. First one up, DRD. This one is looking extremely strong. It's a gold miner that just cleared a significant resistance points. With gold prices on the move, this one could be a solid bet. Make sure to look for healthy pullbacks to 14 to 1450, and make sure that the volume continues to flow here for really high probability continuation. Next one up here, we've got AGX. It broke above downtrend resistance near 135 with explosive volume, confirming a bullish reversal and signaling institutional interest. Watch here for 133 and 138, which is the breakout zone. And yeah, this one looks extremely strong. Really like it. It held up really nicely, even amid the market weakness. So definitely one that I will be watching. And next one up here, Driven Brands, DRVN. Cleared downtrend resistance and flag breakout near 1750 with steady volume, which signaling a reversal attempt of a year-long base. Make sure to watch for pullbacks to 1725, 1775 for continuation. And once again, make sure to take into account the current market conditions and do your own diligence because this is not investment advice. And again, as we face a week filled with economic data and potential tariff impacts, staying informed and agile will be crucial. Whether you're managing portfolio or just keeping an eye on your investments, remember to stay proactive, not reactive. So the plan for this week, our game plan is manage your risk, utilize strong risk management techniques to protect your portfolio, exposure between 0 to 20%, be ready to capitalize on some opportunities that arise from market reactions and economic and data tariff. Once again, thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and if you haven't already, smash that bell icon to stay updated. And make sure to not miss another update to sign up for our completely free newsletter and text alerts, and we'll message you daily watch list and our top picks moving forward. Once again, thanks a lot. See you later.